Welcome guys, so today we have a new member to the channel. We have our very own outdoor pizza oven. Finally, I've been wanting one of these for a while and now we have one. This is what it is. So this is an outdoor wood pellet pizza oven. Now they have a few choices that you can go with. They also have a propane one. And of course the one that I chose had to be the wood pellet. But you can also use wood chunks and charcoal. So of course I'm gonna go with this one. And with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up and let's put it together. All right, now that we have it open, let's go see what it is. It should be something quick and easy. I'm very excited to try this. I have a lot of good ideas what I want to do. Not just pizza. Oh, no. I've seen people do steaks. Well, we're going to do some hot sandwiches also. Oh, yeah, it's about to go down. So first off, right off the bat, we have our, this is our pizza stone. Oh yeah. We have our user guide right here. Oh yeah, look at this. And that's it, just this piece. Everything should be inside. Now we're probably gonna have the legs and our cover. And back here is our tray for our wood. This has the legs already on there. Look at that. Bam. Oh, that is cool. Boom, makes it portable. That's the whole point of this, being portable, easy to move around. This is the chimney, this long one. So here we have the chimney. All right, so the screw part goes on top. You don't need to screw this with the pizza oven. Screw is actually for the top part. Now that we installed this top part, it's like I said, it's pretty easy. I mean, it's not gonna take very long, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. That's how long it's gonna take. What makes it easy is that everything's pretty much pre-installed. So here we have the door and we have the handle right here. Already has the screws in there. All we have to do is unscrew them and install them back into this. All right, so you got the lip here. You got this lip going on right here. This lip's gonna come out the outside. It's not gonna go inside the fire. It's gonna be outside. So that's where we want. And it has the little brand name of the company right here. So screws go in here and that's how we go. Where we store the pellets or any kind of wood you're gonna put, we're gonna do the same thing as we did to the front part. Take out the screws, put it in there and screw back in there. It's gonna go right in here. Right in there. Now we put our, this is nice. Go ahead and insert this inside. Now here's the handle. Like I said, this is portable. So it comes with the handle. The legs go in and then you pop them right back out when you're ready to put them, like when you go to the lake, you go camping. I'm taking this to the camp. Might even take it to the lake too, who knows. So here you have your 3 screws. And then just so you guys know, there's a little hook right here to hook your door. And it also comes with this to scoop your pellets. All right, guys, so now this was quick. This was really easy. All the screws were pre-installed for you to do them. You cannot mess up. Very easy. Now the fun part, let's go ahead and put some wood pellets in here, fire it up, and let's get our pizza ready. And the flavor of pellets we're going to be using today is hickory. Also, I try to find those fire starter things, those little like tumbleweed things, but all they had was these little cubes. So I'm going to use these little cubes. If you have a torch, I have a little mini torch, but you don't need a cube. You can just torch them and wait till they get fired. This is probably the easiest, fastest way to get it going. So today we're using wood pellets. Next week video, we're going to be using wood chips. I got some hickory wood chips. That's going to be on next week's video. So this week, for this video, we're using wood pellets, and next week we're doing hickory wood chips. And the following, we're going to use some charcoal. Yes, you can use wood charcoal, wood pellets, and wood chunks. So we're going to do all three, but in its due time. Right now, pellets, then we'll go to hickory wood chips, and then some charcoal. So let's go ahead and get this fire started. All right, we're going to go ahead and add some wood chips. Put this right in the middle. That should be good. All right, now that it's on there, let's light it. We're just gonna go ahead and put it inside. So now that we have our fire there, we're gonna wait about 15 to 20 minutes to see where we're at. And so once this reaches about 700 degrees, I got this to test. It's inside. For our first cook here, we have our take and bake pizza. This is one of the popular things that a lot of people do. So I'll try this first, and then we'll keep going, and we'll do our own. There are other videos where I'll do my own pizza my way. But for now, we're gonna do this take and bake, and I'm gonna show you how to cook one of these in here. And now let's check the temperature. Just gonna turn this on. There it is. All right, let's see what it says. That's where we're at right now. We'll leave it there. We'll be back in about 10 minutes. And then if you want, you can add more pellets too. All right, guys, so our pizza oven just reached 700 degrees. It's about 750 right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in here with this cardboard thing in there for 15 seconds, and we're gonna keep moving around. Then I'm gonna take the cardboard out for a few more seconds, cook it without the cardboard. Let's go ahead and put this in our oven. Also, I have this Blackstone spatula that's wide, wider than all the other ones. So this will be perfect to be moving it around. All right. "15 seconds. right, there it is. Oh, look at that. Also, remember guys, there's a link in the description if you guys want to check this out. It's only 120 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. Now, a couple things that I learned while I was doing this. Right before you're ready to put your pizza in, go ahead and add a little bit more wood pellets in there to get that fire keep going even longer. That would help. Than that, everything was great. It was easy. Me never using any of this before. Just let's go ahead and give this a cut. All right, so now that we have it, this is, I'm telling you, man, that wood fire taste, you cannot beat that. Now also remember, next video on this, we're gonna be using some wood chips hickory. The video following that one, we're using some charcoal. We're cooking more pizzas, different style pizzas, frozen pizzas, fresh made pizzas, you name it. We're gonna try some hot sandwiches too. Just like when you go to pizza place and they have those hot sandwiches in there. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some of that too. I also saw a video of somebody doing a steak. I was like, really, a steak? Let me try that. I hope you guys like this video. Just remember guys, link in the description if you guys want to check them out. I see you guys next time.